Inside some people, a calorie isn't just a calorie. Within 30 minutes of a meal, their cells ignite a biochemical firestorm. Their mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, ramp up energy expenditure. A 2015 study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation showed that individuals with higher levels of brown adipose tissue, a type of fat that burns calories to produce heat, can consume more without gaining weight. This tissue acts like a metabolic furnace, converting excess calories into heat rather than storing them as fat. The immediate post-meal response in these individuals is a surge in thermogenesis, defying the conventional wisdom that calorie intake alone dictates weight gain. Digestion in these seemingly immune individuals kicks off a complex interplay of hormones. Within the first 20 minutes of eating, the hormone GLP-1 is released from the gut. This hormone does more than curb appetite, it enhances insulin sensitivity. A 2016 study from the Endocrine Society found that people with naturally higher GLP-1 levels can more effectively manage blood glucose spikes. This means their bodies store less glucose as fat. It's a metabolic advantage that's invisible but significant, challenging the idea that what you eat determines your weight fate. Instead, it's how your hormones respond that can tilt the scales. Inside your bloodstream, lipoproteins transport fat molecules. For certain individuals, this process occurs at an accelerated pace. The liver plays a surprising role here. A 2018 study in hepatology revealed that some individuals have an enhanced expression of a protein called apolipoprotein AV. This protein speeds up the breakdown of triglycerides, the main constituents of body fat. Within minutes of consuming fats, their bodies are already processing and metabolizing them efficiently, reducing fat storage. This rapid hepatic clearance defies the notion that dietary fat automatically morphs into body fat. It's a metabolic sleight of hand that's hidden beneath the surface. In the gut, the microbiome of certain people plays a key role in weight regulation. A 2017 study in Nature found that individuals with a diverse gut microbiome tend to have a faster metabolism. Within 30 minutes of eating, these microbes begin fermenting fiber into short-chain fatty acids. This process, particularly the production of butyrate, increases energy expenditure. Butyrate also influences insulin sensitivity, a critical factor in weight management. This microbial action challenges the idea that weight is solely a result of personal discipline. Instead, it highlights an invisible microbial component that silently aids in maintaining a lean physique. Metabolism isn't just an internal phenomenon, it extends to how muscles utilize energy. A 2019 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed that some individuals possess a higher concentration of type I muscle fibers. These fibers are more efficient at oxidizing fat for energy. Within the first 30 minutes after physical activity, these muscles continue burning fat at a higher rate. This ongoing oxidation of fat, even at rest, provides them with a metabolic edge. It defies the simplistic notion that only calorie intake impacts weight gain. Instead, it's the continued metabolic activity of muscles that silently contributes to their effortless weight maintenance. Deep within your cells, a fascinating enzyme called AMPK acts like a metabolic switch. When activated, AMPK increases energy production and consumption. In certain individuals, this enzyme is more easily activated, which enhances their ability to burn calories. A 2017 study in cell metabolism demonstrated that AMPK activation prompts cells to accelerate fat oxidation. This means more fat is used as fuel rather than stored. The enzyme effectively shifts the body's energy balance toward burning rather than storing. This enzymatic efficiency offers a hidden advantage, revealing why some bodies naturally resist weight gain despite high calorie intake. Inside the adipose tissue, a hormone called leptin plays a pivotal role. For some, leptin sensitivity is heightened, meaning their brains quickly receive signals to stop eating. A 2015 study from Nature Communications found that leptin levels influence metabolic rate by affecting the hypothalamus. This brain region modulates hunger and energy expenditure. In individuals with enhanced leptin sensitivity, the hypothalamus effectively ramps up metabolism and reduces appetite. This hormonal communication challenges the idea that willpower alone controls weight. Instead, it is an intrinsic hormonal dialogue that dictates energy balance and weight regulation. Your liver, a metabolic powerhouse, plays a crucial role in processing nutrients. Some people possess a variant of the FGF21 gene that influences liver metabolism. According to a 2019 study in the Journal of Hepatology, This gene variant enhances the liver's ability to oxidize fatty acids. This means their livers break down fats more efficiently, preventing storage as body fat. The gene variant acts as a metabolic accelerator, allowing for greater energy turnover. This genetic advantage defies the simplistic view of calorie consumption, highlighting the liver's pivotal role in managing energy balance and body weight. Within your gut, certain strains of bacteria like Akkermansia muciniphila play a vital role in metabolism. A 2020 study published in Gut Microbes found that this bacterium enhances gut barrier function and energy extraction. It increases mucus layer thickness, aiding nutrient absorption and energy regulation. By maintaining a healthy gut lining, it indirectly supports a higher metabolic rate. This microbial interaction offers insights into why some individuals extract energy from food more efficiently. It underscores the importance of the gut microbiome in metabolic health, challenging the notion that body weight is solely determined by diet and exercise. The hormone irisin, released by muscles during physical activity, plays a crucial role in energy metabolism. Some people secrete more irisin, enhancing their metabolic rate. A 2018 study from the American Journal of Physiology noted that irisin transforms white fat into more metabolically active brown fat. This conversion increases calorie burning, even at rest. The elevated presence of irisin means that their bodies continue to burn calories long after exercise has ended. This hormone provides a silent yet powerful metabolic advantage, revealing the intricate relationship between muscle activity and energy expenditure. When exposed to chronic overeating, your body adapts in surprising ways. For some, the excessive intake triggers a paradoxical response called adaptive thermogenesis. A 2018 study in the International Journal of Obesity found that individuals with this response increase their energy expenditure to maintain weight stability. Their bodies burn more calories as heat, even without additional physical activity. This mechanism acts as an internal thermostat, preventing weight gain despite calorie surpluses. It challenges the assumption that every calorie not burned through exercise is stored as fat, revealing an unexpected metabolic safeguard. Consuming too little can also lead to metabolic adaptations. When caloric intake falls significantly, your body enters a state of energy conservation. A 2016 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that reduced intake slows down the basal metabolic rate. This protective mechanism ensures survival during periods of scarcity, but it can make weight loss efforts frustrating. Interestingly, some individuals bypass this adaptation due to genetic variations that preserve their metabolic rate. These differences underscore how metabolism isn't a static process but a dynamic interplay of genetics and environment. Food companies have long capitalized on the complexity of metabolism. Many processed foods are engineered to bypass satiety signals, exploiting your body's natural cues. A 2021 study in Appetite revealed that foods high in sugar and fat trigger dopamine releases, reinforcing eating behavior. This response can override normal metabolic signals, encouraging overconsumption. Despite this, some individuals resist these cues, maintaining a stable weight. Their neurological and hormonal systems appear less susceptible to food-induced dopamine surges, offering a protective buffer against overeating. This resilience highlights the intricate balance between biology and food industry tactics. Long-term exposure to high-calorie diets can lead to metabolic inflexibility. This condition reduces the body's ability to switch between burning carbohydrates and fats. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that some genetically predisposed individuals maintain metabolic flexibility regardless of diet. Their bodies seamlessly transition between energy sources, optimizing fuel usage. This ability preserves energy efficiency and prevents weight gain, even with varied diets. It challenges the notion that metabolic health solely depends on dietary choices, emphasizing a genetic foundation for metabolic adaptability. The ultimate metabolic secret lies in genetic variants that affect energy balance. A 2023 study in Nature Genetics identified a gene, ALK, linked to thinness despite high caloric intake. Individuals with this variant exhibit higher energy expenditure and reduced fat accumulation. This discovery reframes our understanding of metabolism, showing that genetics can significantly influence weight regulation. It underscores that despite lifestyle choices, there are inherent biological factors at play. While many strive for balance, some are uniquely equipped with a genetic advantage that defies conventional wisdom on weight gain.